Two-step. What does it mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase in English, two-step. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in different contexts. Let's dive in. The term two-step initially comes from dance. It's a type of partner dance with, you guessed it, two main steps. The dance is characterized by its smooth-flowing style, typically danced to country music. The rhythm can be broken down as quick, quick, slow. Now, how does this relate to the language? Let's find out. Over time, two-step has taken on other, more figurative meanings in everyday English. 1. A process with two main stages or parts. 2. Example, the application for the program is a simple two-step. First, fill out the form, and second, submit your documents. 3. Evading or being evasive in response to a question or situation. 4. Example, every time I ask him about his plans, he does the two-step and changes the subject. When using two-step in conversation or writing, it's essential to be aware of the context to ensure your message is clear. 1. In a dance context, always relates to the dance style. 2. In a process context, indicates a procedure or method with two main parts. 3. In an evasive context, usually used to describe someone avoiding a topic or not being straightforward. Remember, context is key. So, there we have it. The term two-step is not just a dance move but also a versatile phrase in English. Whether you're hitting the dance floor or describing a process, now you're ready to use two-step confidently. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy learning!